Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be looking at how to make realistic book in PowerPoint. But before we begin, please do subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon for more video updates, and please do comment down below I subscribed in the comment box. So let's begin.